A venture capitalist once told me, talk value in one sentence and money in the next, or I'm out. That's our job in this lesson. First, capture why customers will love your product, the value proposition. Then prove how that love funds the business model. I'll guide you step by step. When we switch focus, I'll simply say, now we'll talk about the next piece. You've already defined a bold vision, but vision alone won't pay the AWS bill. Enter the value proposition canvas. Picture a donut on the left, your customer, and a square on the right, your product. Inside the donut, customer profile, jobs, tasks, emotions, or goals the user chases, pains, frustrations, or risks that block those jobs. Gains, outcomes that delight or exceed expectations. Inside the square, value map, products and services you plan to ship. Pain relievers that shrink or eliminate top pains. Gain creators that trigger the desired gains. Why do we do this? Because research out of Strategizer shows teams that map jobs. Pains gains before ideating features are twice as likely to achieve product market fit. By forcing a one-to-one match, each pain paired with a reliever, you ensure you're not sprinkling cool tech on an unproven job. Now we'll talk about a real-world illustration. Zoom's early canvas looked like this. Jobs, join any meeting instantly. Pains, heavy clients, login friction, video lag. Gains, crystal clear audio, share screen in one click. Pain reliever, chuck, web first link, no downloads. Gain creator, dash, proprietary codec for low bandwidth clarity. That tight mapping let Zoom differentiate against WebEx without feature bloat. A compelling value prop is half the equation. The other half is how money flows. Enter the business model canvas. 9 blocks on one page. Customer segments, who pays or influences. Value propositions, you already nailed these. Channels, app stores, web, B2B sales, customer relationships, self-serve, concierge, community, revenue streams, subscriptions, ads, usage fees, key resources, tech, data, brand, partnerships, key activities, R&D, onboarding, content, key partners, cloud vendors, payment processors, influencers, cost structure, hosting, support, marketing. Why this canvas? Because it exposes riskiest assumptions fast. Ashmoria's lean canvas trims the 9 boxes down to the most dangerous. Problem, solution, unique value, unfair advantage, channels, revenue, cost, key metrics. Lean teams tackle red flag boxes with tiny experiments, landing page smoke tests for demand, concierge MVP for willingness to pay, before burning engineering cycles. Now we'll talk about revenue models and unit economics. Say you pick freemium SaaS like Canva. 95% stay free, 5% upgrade to Pro. Fine, if lifetime value, LTV, of a Pro subscriber dwarfs customer acquisition cost, CAC. Your job is to model LTV as average monthly revenue, X gross margin, X retention months. If LTV, CAC 3, either raise prices, boost retention, or find cheaper channels. Understanding this math lets you kill non-viable ideas early. Let's run a hypothetical workshop for our teen carbon tracker, EcoSnap. Value proposition canvas interview insights. Job, choose planet-friendly snacks. Pain, labels are confusing. Gain, quick badge that says good choice. Value map, barcode scan, carbon score in 1S, pain reliever, streaks and social share, gain creator. Business model canvas pivot points. Segments, Gen Z users and grocery chains. Revenue, freemium for users, B2B API subscription for retailers to display scores at checkout. Key partners, carbon data providers, POS vendors. Costs, data licensing, image recognition cloud infra. Risk tests next week. Demand, TikTok ad driving to waitlist. Accept 15% sign-up CTR. Willingness to pay, retail. Pilot letter to 3 regional chains, need 1 signed LOI. Unit economics, model API price at 0.02 per scan. Target 80% gross margin after infra. If the scans cost more than the API fee in real-world tests, We tweak price or compress compute before a single full-stack engineer is hired. Why this works? The value prop canvas anchors empathy. No more feature bingo. The business model canvas surfaces monetary blind spots before board meetings do. Lean testing reduces waste. Each green signal compounds confidence. Each red saves months of sunk cost. Clear economics earn trust from finance, sales, and investors. Critical air cover for future roadmap bets.